Well, sadly, this looks like another injury for Adam Cianciarulo. I'm recording this right before race 2 of the Triple Crown, where they just had a report about it, and he said that he was hoping to race for race 2, but he couldn't even get the boot on, which is pretty bad. Apparently, he had an X-ray and couldn't find anything broken, but if you actually watch the replay of him falling, his foot's completely the wrong direction. So, sprained ankle, torn something, who knows? But if it's that bad that you can't even get your boot on, and it could just be a sprained ankle. Next race, well, right here. Watch his left leg when he lands, and then it just gets twisted right around. Toe catches, and then the seat lands on it, and when your ankle's facing backwards or your toes are facing backwards and your ankle's facing forward, it's not going to be good. And you can tell hobble, 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 and then just to get on the bike like this, you can tell something is very wrong. Whether that's just the ankle, the knee, hip, who knows, something. But for him, this is just the story of every season. It sucks because he's such a great rider, such a great personality. One of those people that you wish would just be like a contender every single year, up front and coming out of the amateurs. That's what everybody thought he was going to. But it's just sad to see that he's always injured, and you never want to see it. Obviously, you don't want to see anybody injured, especially every single year. It just sucks. But hopefully, this is just a sprained ankle and nothing worse, and he won't miss any time. But I don't know, and we'll have to wait and see about that one. So hopefully we'll get an update and we get to make another video about this, and it's just sprained ankle. He'll be fine for next week and we're going. But either way, I don't know. You guys tell me, what do you think of the Supercross triple format racing? Do you like this better than the heats and just one main race or whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.